Welcome to our guide on using online presentation software. Today, we'll explore how these tools can enhance your presentations and make your ideas shine. Online presentation tools offer a variety of benefits, including accessibility from anywhere, real-time collaboration with team members, and an abundance of templates to kickstart your creativity. When choosing presentation software, look for key features such as user-friendliness, cloud storage options, integration with other applications, and customization capabilities. Let's compare some of the most popular online presentation options available today, including Google Slides, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Prezi. Each offers unique features that cater to different needs. Now, let's dive into a step-by-step guide for creating a presentation using online tools. From choosing the right template to sharing the final product, we'll walk you through each stage. Designing effective slides is crucial. Use clean layouts, limit text, and choose visuals that enhance your message. Remember, less is often more. Incorporate multimedia elements like videos, images, and animations to make your presentations more engaging. These elements captivate your audience's attention and reinforce your message. Collaboration is key in team projects. Look for presentation software that allows real-time editing, comments, and easy sharing among team members to streamline the creation process. When presenting online, maintain eye contact with the camera, engage your audience with questions, and practice your delivery to ensure a smooth presentation. In conclusion, choosing the right online presentation software depends on your specific needs, design preferences, and collaboration requirements. Explore your options and find the perfect fit for your projects.